You are giving someone so much of yourself, and they don't even think about you when you're gone. Here's exactly why and how to change it permanently. Principle 1. Become unpredictable. Psychology says the human brain is wired to crave what it cannot fully predict. When you are always available, always responding instantly, always there, your brain becomes background noise to them. You become expected, and we never miss what we expect. Start creating small gaps. Don't reply instantly every time. Be present, then quietly disappear for a while. Their brain will start searching for you. Principle 2. Give them a feeling, not just your time. Most people think missing someone means missing their presence. Psychology says that's wrong. People miss feelings, not faces. If every moment with you feels safe, exciting, or deeply understood, they will crave that feeling the moment you are gone. So stop trying to give them more of your time. Give them a feeling they cannot find anywhere else. Principle 3. Let them see your life without them. This is the one most people get backwards. When someone pulls away, most people chase. They call more, they text more, they make themselves more available. Psychology says this is the fastest way to make someone stop missing you. Instead, let them see you living. Let them see you laughing. Let them see that your world is full, with or without them. Absence creates longing, but a full life creates obsession. Principle 4. The unfinished story. Now, this is the one psychologists call the most powerful principle of all, and almost nobody uses it. It's called the Zeigarnik Effect. Your brain is designed to obsessively think about unfinished things. Completed stories are forgotten. Unfinished ones stay in the mind forever. This is why you still think about the conversation that was never finished, the argument that had no closure, the person who left without explanation. If you want someone to miss you, never give them complete closure on every moment. Leave some things beautifully unfinished. End conversations at their peak, not when they fade. Leave them always wanting the next chapter. Their brain will write your name in every quiet moment. Principle 5. Stop trying to make them miss you. And this is the principle that sounds like a contradiction, but psychology proves it every time. The moment you stop trying to make someone miss you and start genuinely becoming someone worth missing, everything changes. People who are deeply missed are not the ones who chased. They are the ones who built something inside themselves so real, so magnetic, that even time and distance cannot erase them from someone's mind. Become that person. The missing will take care of itself. Subscribe. Every week I post psychology that explains what your heart is feeling, but your mind cannot put into words.